Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Queen of Water, Five of Air, and Messenger of Air. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, maybe today you need to handle things in a different way, guys. Maybe sometimes you see your situation through your personal lens. Maybe you may have a lot of prejudice, a lot of preconceived ideas about certain things, and you're seeing the situation through that. And that may be the reason for problems you are seeing, guys. Maybe if you see your circumstances as it is, you are going to get a different picture, and that may be the truthful picture. So you need to broaden your perception, guys. See your circumstances from a different point of view, and this may help you in learning things differently and doing things differently. It may clear the confusion you may have today, guys, and it is going to bring out a positive response from you, not impulsive reactions. So today in your circumstances, Libras, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, whatever impulsive reactions you are making, it's going to land you in a very difficult circumstance, guys. So you must avoid that, and you need to feel confident about yourself, comfortable, confident in the way you are. So you need to understand yourself and understand that other person, and maybe give and get respect in your situation. So there are people in your life who are truly concerned about you. It may be this person you love. So they are truly concerned about you and they want you to listen to them, and the same way you want them to listen to you. So there should be mutual understanding and trust in this relationship, guys. That is what is going to help you, Libra. So instead of just doing the things the way you want to do, you must go for that understanding and build this relationship on honesty and trust if you want a positive relationship with this person. So today you are moving towards that. You are moving towards a better understanding. You are healing from all that emotional stress you had in your circumstances. There were a lot of difficulties you faced, maybe conflicts with this person, and that has given you a lot of experience. You know what you are and what this other person is. So your circumstances has given you clarity today, Libras, and what is the right thing to do or the right way to handle your situation, you know, with your experience today. So that is what I see for your relationship, guys, and for your career situation, guys. You will know the answers what you need. Maybe in your work you may have opportunities coming your way, but if you want to choose the right one, you need to think it with clarity. Wait for that right opportunity. Do not jump into any kind of conclusion today, guys. So that is not going to help you in any way. So, in your relationship or in your career situation, you must keep your eyes wide open. So, what will be the right thing for you? You must be able to identify that. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Libras, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, let's see what is the card. We have the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances, guys, for your love or the concern you have on someone, you are sacrificing a lot or you are doing everything possible in your capacity, trying your best, doing your best to help this person, help them come out of some difficulty. But you are someone who has a strong willpower and determination. You are doing it by yourself in silence. You are facing all the obstacles or difficulties today all by yourself for the love you have for this person. But they may not understand that, they are not aware of it even for some of you. And this may even look like a madness on your part, maybe the people around you. They may feel that you have a mad dedication, something, a very unexpected level of that single mindedness towards this task or towards this mission, that you are doing everything, sacrificing so much. Maybe you are in this situation, guys, and maybe people feel really hostility in their hearts towards you. But whatever you face today, guys, whatever difficulties it may be, there may be a lot of pain you are having, there may be too much you are doing on your part, but whatever it is, you are going to heal, and there is a great breakthrough coming in your circumstances. So, circumstances are not going to go in the same way forever. There are great changes, beautiful, positive changes coming in your life very soon, guys, and people will appreciate your single minded dedication and your helpful, kind nature, and people will know the truth and they will truly appreciate you for whatever you have done for this person you love, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is mending. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation, in your circumstances today, this may be the time for understanding and letting go of that unwanted burden in our life. So when we feel really hurt or sad or angered by some situation or by someone, we keep ourselves chained to that person or that situation, guys, instead of healing ourselves. So if we want to heal ourselves and move forward in our life, the way to do that is through mending our situation. And forgiveness is the best way to do that. So separate or together, with your person you love. Maybe even if you are in separation, you both are experiencing the effects of hurt that is impacting everything you do. So even you may not be aware of it, but it affects whatever you do, and there is some kind of a negative energy you are having in your heart today. So that needs to be cleared. So, how to do that? So, closing your heart may not be the answer today, guys. So, if you want to heal this wound, what you need to do? So, you need to forgive this person who has hurt you and forget and move on. But if you feel that you are the one who has hurt them, you must truthfully, in your heart of hearts, apologize to them. Maybe if you can do it directly, then it is well and good. Maybe if you cannot, in your heart of hearts, you can honestly make redress, honestly say the words that you are sorry for them, sorry for what has happened, and that will bring a change in your heart, guys, a positive change, and only goodness will come out of forgiveness. And that is what this card is about, and that is the way you are going to set yourself from the chains that are holding you back today, holding you in the sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.